Now we will be going into cosec curve. This is more interesting one. Acha, I shouldn't do like this. Can anybody tell me what will be the domain of cosec function? Acha, first thing, do you see anything by 0?
No. No, sir.
And that is 100% wrong answer. Can anybody tell me why have I said wrong answer? Let's see who can try. Why have I said wrong answer? Because in cosec x there is something hidden in there. That's why you cannot see anything by 0.
The value of cosec is 1 by sin x.
Very good. Cosec x is actually not cosec x. It's 1 by sin x. Yes or no, guys? Actually, I was thinking why I should have written this one, but now I realize that it is very good that I haven't written that one. Everyone, yes or no? Now,
Yes, sir.
now can you now can you say, do you see anything by 0? Do you see anything by 0? Yes or no? Yes. When sin x becomes 0, this cosec x becomes undefined. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
And when does sin x become 0? We have already discussed this one before. Sin x becomes 0 when x is equal to n pi. Yes or no? So the domain will be what? R minus. Everybody understood this line? Please tell me yes or no. X is an element of real number and x is no. Acha, there is a mistake in here. Guys, there is a mistake in here. Wait. There is a mistake. It won't be not equal to n pi. It will be equal to n pi because I am rejecting those values. Understood? I am rejecting those values from the real numbers. X is equal to n pi makes sin x 0 and which makes cosec x undefined. So I am rejecting those values. Everyone clear? There is a mistake. I'm sorry. Understood everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So all the real values except minus means I am removing those except when x is equal to n pi, because when x is equal to n pi sin x equal to 0, and when sin x equal to 0 I get 1 by 0, and when 1 by 0 cos x become undefined. Okay, so domain is clear. Okay, now let's move on to range. Now this is a very important concept. Okay, very important. Let's see. The range is given by r minus 1 to 1. Acha, first of all, tell me what is cosec x in terms of hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. What is cosec x equal to? What by what? Cosec x equal to what by what? Sin x.
Hypotenuse by perpendicular.
By perpendicular.
Yes, very good. So hypotenuse by perpendicular, that is it. Now tell me, hypotenuse is the longest side, right? Understood? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can hypotenuse ever be smaller than the perpendicular? Can hypotenuse ever? No. So the minimum value is 1. Yes or no? So the minimum value of this fraction is 1 when hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular. Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right? Acha, now the next one is what? When hypotenuse is greater than perpendicular, what happens then? When hypotenuse is greater than perpendicular, what happens then? Wait a second, let me write this properly. Hypotenuse is greater than perpendicular. So this fraction will be what? Greater than 1? Yes or no? The fraction will be greater than 1. Acha, greater than 1 means what? What is the maximum value? Greater than 1 means what? What is the maximum value? Greater than 1 means what? What is the maximum value? Infinity.
Infinity.
Yes, The maximum value is infinity, right? So I will write the maximum value is infinity. Now, I told you what? We will have the same thing in the downside. This are for the upside, plus 1, 1, upside. Now downside will be minus infinity. Just put a minus sign. Minus infinity, right? Now I told you what? The value of sec x will never be less than 1. What do you mean by that? The fraction can never be 0.5. Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes or no? Huh? If you don't understand, then I will do it thoroughly. Wait.
Sir, didn't understand.
Wait. Wait a second. I will draw a number line and I will explain. Wait a second. Okay, let's draw a number line. So this is our number line, and in that number line I have 0 in here, I have minus 1 in here, I have 1 in here. Okay, so what I am telling, that sec x will never be less than 1. Less than 1 means what? This side? Yes or no? So sec x values will be this. Please tell me, clear or not? Sec x value will be more than 1? Yes. And I told you what? We will create the same picture on this side also. So sec x value will be less than minus 1. Please tell me yes or no. Yes or... And I told you what? The fraction sec x will be never be within 0.5. It can never be 0.5. 0.5 means what? 0.5 means what? 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 means what? The denominator is more than numerator. Can we have denominator more than numerator? Can we have denominator more than numerator? Never, right? Yes or no? Am I
Yes, sir.
clear, everyone? Everyone, please say.
Yes, sir.
So, if I have to write the range, what will be the range? Look at it very carefully. The range will be what? Look, minus 1 will be included. It can be minus 1. Why? It can be minus 1 or it can be 1. Why? Because hypotenuse can be equal to P, right? So, if I have to write the range, how will I write? Let's write this side first. So, my 1 is included. So, it will be what? If 1 is included, it will be close bracket 1, comma, infinity. Yes or no? Please tell me, guys. Okay. Now, another thing. I have to include this one. So, minus 1, close bracket, minus infinity. Do you understood this one or not? Do you?
Yes, sir.
Now, I have a way of writing this thing. This is also correct. Now, how did they got this answer? Now I will explain you this thing. How did they got this answer? Look at here carefully, very, very carefully. What does R means? R means what? This whole thing. R basically means what? This whole thing is R. Yes or no? And what I am rejecting of R? I am rejecting this portion from R, right? And what is this portion? Minus 1 comma 1. And why is it open bracket? Because 1 is included. 1 is included. So I am rejecting minus 1 to 1 from the R. Everyone understood? Am I clear? Okay. If you don't understand, then go through that video which I am going to post. Am I clear, everyone? I am deleting this range from R. So that's why R minus of minus 1 comma 1. Understood? Okay. Now let's start drawing this diagram. Let's start drawing this diagram. This is the most interesting part. The drawing of this diagram. Actually, there are shortcuts, but I will tell you. But let's first draw it. So one thing, the marking we have to do it here pi, and here it will be 2 pi, here it will be 3 pi by 2, here it will be pi by 2, here it will be minus pi by 2, here it will be. Acha, your homework will be Write down your homework. Graph of sec x. Graph of sec x. I am doing cosec x. Your homework will be graph of sec x.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Let me finish this one first. Minus 3 pi by 2 and this one is minus 2 pi. Let's start drawing this graph. Let's see who can tell me. Look at here. Acha, tell me what is cosec 90? One by one tell me. What is cosec 90? Cosec 90 is how much?
1.
Very good. Cosec 90 is 1. So I will write 1 in here. I will mark the point 1. Yeah. Now, next one. What is cosec? Cosec 30 degree. What is cosec 30 degree? 2. Very good. So it will be here, right? Somewhat here. Yes or no? Understood? So what I have, the values are somewhere here. Yes or no? The values will never come down. Can anybody tell me why the values will never come down? Because it's from minus 1 to 1. And minus 1 to 1, it is r minus of that thing. So the graph will never be within this thing. Minus 1 to 1. Am I clear? So if I have to draw the graph, achha, next one. What is the value of sine cosec 0 degree? What is the value of cosec 0 degree? Infinite, or we can say undefined, right? Next one. What is cosec 180 degree? Cosec 180 degree. Cosec 180 degree. How much is that? Sine 180 is what? 0. So cosec 180 is what? Undefined. Yes or no? So if I have to draw the graph, listen very carefully. If I have to draw the graph of this one, the graph will look like this. Can anybody tell me what does undefined means? The undefined means at 180 degree that the graph will never touch this line. Again look at here. Undefined at 0 means what? This graph will never touch at this line. Understood everyone? Clear? Yes or no? Look at here. Here the graph touched at this 0, this line, right? So we can say that the value of sine 0 is 0. Again look at here. The graph touched the point 0, this line 0. So we can say the value of cos 0 is 1. But here we know that cos 0 is undefined. So it means what? Undefined. Why? Because this line will never touch this line. Everyone clear? Do you understand why it is undefined? Yes or no? Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I will give you a shortcut. Once you draw this thing, the next one will just fall into pieces. What do you see in here? We see an umbrella in here, right? Yes or no? We see an umbrella of sine. And cosec is what? 1 by sine. So we see a cup. It becomes a cup. Now what do you see in here? It's a cup in here, right? Okay. So what you will see in here? It will become an umbrella. Now you see here. What do you see in here? It's a cup. So it will become an. But you have to keep in mind, this is negative side. Now again you see. What do you see? It's a cup. So it will become an umbrella. Am I clear everyone? Yes or no? Negative side. That's why it is negative side. Negative side. That's why it is negative side. Understood? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So can you do the sec x graph? So please, yeah, I don't want to see here. You will try. I want to see that graph, and I can guarantee that you will do it. You can do it. I'm 100% sure you can do it. And please, I trust you guys. I am telling you to do, so it doesn't mean that you have to copy from the book and do it. Okay? So when I'm trusting you guys, it means what? Whatever you learned from here, you apply this method. Suppose you see graph like this one. You apply this one, then you draw sec x. Understood? Am I clear? Can I trust you?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. So you will draw sec x, right? Acha, now. So sec x will be done by you. Now let's discuss tan x. Acha, again. No. Acha, one thing. Let's discuss the domain of sec x. Range though it will be same. So what is the domain of sec x? Do you see anything by 0? Now to like everyone will see anything by 0. What is sec x? Sec x is equal to what? It's equal to
1 by cos.
1 by cos x, and we can have sec x as undefined when cos x is 0, right? Again I made a mistake in here. It will be equal to, this one will be equal to x equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. I know that cos x becomes 0. When does cos x become 0? Odd multiple of pi by 2. So I will reject all those values. Odd multiple of pi by 2, I will reject all of them. Understood? Where cos x becomes 0. If cos x becomes 0, then it becomes 1 by 0. And if it becomes 1 by 0, then sec x becomes undefined. Everyone clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And the range is what? The range is same as cosec x, r minus 1 by 1, because cosec x is what? Hypotenuse by base, right? The explanation is same as the hypotenuse by perpendicular. So this is also like this.